Hey, my cupcake fairies, I want to come and I apologize because y'all know I've been gone. If it's not a week, 2 weeks, I just haven't had the energy to really do anything after moving. And I don't know, like, what I should be bringing to y'all right now. I'm just having a blockage, but I have Bojangles. I wanted tenders, but they didn't have them. So I got a 3-piece wing dinner, mashed potatoes, and actually 2 mashed potatoes and some dirty rice. A family size dirty rice. I love a dirty rice. And please, y'all, if y'all can hear the noise in the background, it's the air conditioning thing. I can't help it. I can't cut it off. It's always making that same noise no matter what. But I'm just coming here to tell y'all I miss y'all so much. Y'all don't understand how much I miss y'all. Like, y'all my friends. Y'all my cupcake fairies. Besides y'all, I have my little sister, my bestie, and my sister that just came home. And she's going to be here for a few days, and she's leaving right back out. So I hope I get to see her this week coming up. But they didn't give me no hot sauce, so I'm upset with that. But anyways, let me pray and let me get to eating. Okay, y'all. I know y'all like, where is she at? Where she at? I've been down after moving and stuff. My back been giving me issues. My leg has been giving me issues. I've been thinking about my dad's anniversary of his passing coming up, and I just really been in a funk. I don't know what to bring to y'all, what y'all want to see. I don't know. I've asked a few different people that means a lot to me what they think I should do, and I'm gonna do those things. My pet, my dog, my puppy, he went to my sister's house for a week. My mama and my sister gave me a break with him. He came back Saturday. He's in his bed right now playing with his toys or eating something. Eating one of his snacks. He just came from outside trying to use the bathroom. And he seen somebody, so he wanna start barking. They ain't even no napkins neither. I don't like when he do all that barking, because where I'm at is quiet. Do y'all have Bojangles by y'all? Maybe you do. Do you love that dirty rice? This rice tastes old. So, in other news, my niece, I call my daughter, she graduated. She graduated early, but she walked the stage just on Saturday. Happy aunt. Y'all, I was just coming to let y'all know what's going on. And then I got to eat something. My grandma tell me, well, she always tell me you have to eat to live. And I can't take my medicine on an empty stomach because it makes me sick. So, I said I'm coming to eat with my babies. They haven't heard from me in a while. I know they wondering, where is she? And again, I thank y'all so much for the ones that's still there rocking with me. I'm trying to think of more to do than just talk about my chronic illness. Because I deal with that every day. And I overcome a lot of hard battles I'm faced with. A lot of battles. I love their mashed potatoes too. I didn't know if I wanted this or they fries. I go to Dallas tomorrow. Run the whole treatment. It'll take this to test them out. Out my body. So if you don't know, people in Dallas are not supposed to have potassium. Not a lot of it. And if I'm gonna eat potassium, it's not gonna be nothing I don't want. It's either gonna be a potato, a fry, or them too. Cause I don't eat chips like that no more. He just came up, y'all. I guess he smelled food now. At first, he was mad because his aunt and his grandma left him. Kept staring at that door. had to tell them, they gone, man. They gone. Oh, yes. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can. Okay, it's on the phone I'm recording with. My sister had made a new Instagram. Excuse me. Once I get it in my next video, I'll shout her out for y'all to go follow her, because what she do in life, what she do period, it's just beautiful. It's so beautiful. She's a mom of 5 little ones, and her mind creates the most beautiful things in the world. She walked in my house for the first time on Saturday, and she said, "Oh yeah, this, that, this, and this." I'm like, what? Oh, okay. That's what I said. Oh, okay. Y'all, I'm waiting for a ring light. I'm gonna get one. Because you can see me, but you can't. Look, I'm gonna get a ring light, you guys. As a matter of fact, I'm full. So, if you haven't, please make sure you like this video. Leave me a comment. And if you haven't, please subscribe to your girl. I'm Chucky Phone. Please subscribe to my channel. And make sure you punch that notification bell so you never miss when I post another video. Alright, my babies. Bye.